sinabi ko na eh. Ay, ang dami ko nang sinabi pero hindi ko pala napindot yung pic. Chat ko ulit. Okay. Hindi ko napindot yung record button. Anyways, hi everyone. I'm Rosalyn Imperial and welcome back to my channel. This is my Vlogmas Day 13 and I'm so frustrated. Kasi ang hirap pala mag-vlogmas, lalo na pag hindi ka prepared. I mean, prepared naman ako kasi may may videos na ako for December 1 to 15. However, yung video ko for December 2 is hindi ko siya na-film, kaya hindi ko siya na-upload and na-edit. Tapos, ayun, so, na-adjust yung videos, diba? Na-adjust na siya. Tapos yung product review ko sa isang sunscreen na dapat sa December 6 ko i-upload, hindi ko nagawa. Kasi nga, meron akong contract wherein I am only allowed to promote one sunscreen and ang bobo ko kasi hindi ko kasi siya na video bago nangyari yung contract signing. Kaya, my bad. Kaya, after that, contract siguro, saka ko pa siya pwedeng ma-promote. So, this video, I'll be sharing you my latest. I'm so happy to announce this to you guys. Kasi, if napanood niyo ko since very first up until now, you've been with me. Like, I've been wishing, manifesting to have a collabs like that. And I'm really want to do a product review na hindi siya from my own pocket. Alam niyo yun? Yun yung gusto ko kasing matry kasi most of the time, it's always from my pocket. This time, I'll be sharing you. Since nakita niyo na yung pinakaunang PR package, I'll be sharing you today my latest collaborations with other brands. Let's ask first, pinakamahal, which is from Hagbody. Tiding! Kilala niyo ba si Lilisha? Si Lilisha. This is Lilisha. Ito yung blind box from Carnival of the Animals. Ang na-full ko ito yung na-full ko and super cute niya kasi bagay na bagay siya sa bag na ginamit ko. Diba? So, ililink ko naman sa baba kung saan nyo siya pwedeng mabili. Okay? And what I like about this is yung fur niya is so smooth and so fluffy. Kaya I really like it. Diba ang cute? Ang cute. Diba ang cute? Ang cute. You should reward yourself with a cute charms or your girlfriend with a charm. Ayun, ang cute. Next naman is may international brand sila. I got a package from Skin Ever. I got their salicylic acid refreshing scrub cleanser. I already done making video about this and maganda siya. Tapos itong light water serum sunscreen, hindi ko pa ito na gagawa ng video. It's because of my contract. So sabi ni Skin Ever, iset aside na muna to and wait until the contract ends. Okay? That's what I love about Skin Ever kasi they are so understanding. Yun, ito yung nakuha ko sa kanila and may paparating pang isa. Ang last naman is from... Alam nyo kasi, di ba, may nag-trending akong video. Tapos maraming nag-comment doon na si ganto, si ganyan, si Bareface. Si Bareface daw gamitin ko, ganyan. Pero sa Instagram, doon na kami nag-usap and nagkaroon na ng contract signing. And they sent me because I chose the Glaze Ultra Hydrating Sleeping Mask and the Sunkiss Illuminating Sunscreen. But I really like this sunscreen kasi hindi na to included sa pag-promote ha, pero to be honest, ang ganda niya talaga. I'll be doing a separate product review about this. You should check it out. Pero pa-appeal. Sobrang ganda nito kasi sobrang bilis niyang ma-absorb sa skin mo, tapos sobrang daling ma-blend. And what I like this even more is wala siyang white cast. Kaya you really have to try this. Actually, hindi naman na nga ito kasama sa pag-promote. Kaya hindi to promotional video. As in, sharing lang to kasi hindi ko naman nasabi sa kanila na meron akong vlog or YouTube channel with this amount of subscribers. Pero if ever this crossed on their feed, di ba? Pero ayun, super ganda nito be. And ito din. And I'll be doing separate product reviews about this product. And this too, of course. Pero si Lilisha, you just watch the video that I uploaded on my TikTok or IG if you have time. So that's it na muna for now. And I'll be going to share you what are the other brands na papunta na sa akin. OMG. I guess I have four brands na upcoming pa. I'm so happy. I hope na mas madami pang dumating for me. And sana you keep on supporting me. So that's all. So pinagpawisan ako kasi pinatay ko yung electric fan para maganda yung boses ko. Kasi pag may tumutunog yung electric fan, mas malakas pa yung tunog ng electric fan kaysa sa boses ko. So, ayun na, kahit pinagpapawisan na ako, okay lang. Mabigyan ko lang ng justice tong vlog kong to. Kasi of course, ang mag-benefit pa rin naman nito is ako, di ba? I mean, kasi pag matanda na ako, I can watch these vlogs. So, syempre, pag matanda na ako, baka, ingay-ingay naman ang pakyan yan, ba't hindi ganyan? Di ba? Pero that's it. I'll be continue to share yung my achievement even if hindi na siya galing sa contact from YouTube, pero at least nabubuhay itong vlog ko. So that's it. Please wish me luck. Please pray for me na makapasa sa exam. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.